Mayilinda. Mayilinda. Yeah. Ay, kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala qala ngescoop shayiseke yenza kakhulu faka intelezi. I'm in the mood shaya i-2-piece kuhlehla ufish shaya iqabunga sazothi shwi no-check ulokishi saluthi dog ngiyibone so rich sinyathele ngani let's get the stepping we from the hood eshaya ujantshi. Kwenzakalani bangiselephi we finna get some action won't you hop in and let's get active. Shaya ikanti no but irasi go time vele she gon' bust it. Night time come a love action I don't want her no I cannot have it. Phuza kakhulu so ngikhiphe ebantwini. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala simbambi Uber ngiyisaluthela amakruger rent busy ngicheck ibuda bro nigga with the true stuff. My thing clever yazi in this life thing I done met too many fake niggas and I'm yet still a met too many shit too real I think too as I'm in zenza kakhulu ain't talking about pretty girls in swimming pools. Man ngithi zenza kakhulu talking about putting in work that makes you look cool. They tryna ball like tycoons. Nigga don't play with my dudes. Don't make me do it again. Me being rhetorical, asking what happened to you. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala it's so vital, gotta protect my energy. Some niggas need therapy, never pass it, popping too much amphetamines. That's what happens, gotta deal with the trilogy. Popping bottles and pills, all the substances will probably kill you when you meet your ancestors. Right or wrong, man, it's still no correcting us. Motherfucker, you better run. I remember in the village, sailing I'm cool. Damn it, I wish we had better. Got the best lala, see heal and lalang me. You know the split made it better. I'm preparing for my wins, yeah. Pop confetti with my G's, yeah. Luxury big crib, yeah. Transport to liquid, yeah. Kwenzakala. Hey, hey. Kwenzakala. Ayo, hey. Kwenzakala. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala ngena ngombuzo la ekhaya. Kwenzakala